In the last couple of days, we have seen S23 Ultra all over the place with the new camera sample, a new special edition processor, and potentially what kind of a design we are going to get in the S23 Ultra. And by the end of this video, your every question will be answered regarding the S23 Ultra. Not to mention, but Galaxy S23 Ultra could be more expensive than S22 Ultra. But with increase in price, Samsung is offering a lot of improvements in all model of S23 lineup. After the launch of Qualcomm Snadpragon Gen 2, we are more clear what we can expect from S23 Ultra. And the good news is, there will be no Exynos 2300 in S23 lineup. But at the same time, it is not the normal Snadpragon Gen 2. So Samsung expanded the partnership with the Qualcomm, and in the coming year, we are going to get a special edition Snadpragon Gen 2 only for S23 Ultra, which will be different from other Android smartphones. Now, what's special about this processor? Well, it will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 GHz on our normal Snadpragon Gen 2. A big question is, can we expect a better battery life out of S23 Ultra? Well, from its battery size, no, because it will come with the same 5000 mAh battery. But if you say, what about processor optimization, then you can expect some insane numbers from S23 Ultra. Yes, as per new Snadpragon Gen 2, it came with the 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency, big improvements over the last year. And a cherry on top, Samsung will also add a new feature called Light Mode in S23 Ultra, which we already seen on Z Fold 4. What's special about this feature is that it will reduce the CPU power but keeps the 120Hz refresh rate, and that is the big difference between Light Mode and a battery saver. So we can expect a great battery out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. A bad news, and some people might be disappointed who really want a fast charger in S23 Ultra, because some rumors and a 3C certification indicates we may get a 25W fast charger in S23 Ultra, and some claims that it will come with a 45W fast charger just like the S22 Ultra. Not impressive, but okay. Although the new Snadpragon Gen 2 is capable of Qualcomm Quick Charge 5.0, which can handle up to 100W. Imagine Samsung go with 100W, which is a dream come true for a lot of people. The new 200MP camera will come with some of the new features that we really love to see, and Samsung is going to add it. Where with this 200MP camera, we're going to get a 3 shooting modes: 200MP, 50MP, and 12MP. And with the new Snadpragon Gen 2, it is fully optimized with Samsung ISO HP3 sensor, but Samsung are going to put HP2 into S23 Ultra, which allows Galaxy S23 Ultra to record 8K video at 30fps and 4K video at 120fps. Although 960fps will remain same as 720p. The best feature that we might see in the camera is no shutter lag, which we suffer a lot from a previous generation of Galaxy lineup. And this 200MP camera will be one of a kind camera, the best in the market so far, where it will outclass the Pixel 7 Pro and S22 Ultra. But if you are the one who uses ultra wide a lot or telephoto, those sensors will remain the same. Maybe we see a drop in selfie shooter from a 40MP to 12MP. The design of S23 Ultra is also where we see some renders, indicating the S23 Ultra will be different from S22 Ultra. From the side, the render shows the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a flatter display, much flatter than the S22 Ultra, and the sides are also squared off, which makes the S23 Ultra looks much thicker than the S22 Ultra. And with this thicker design, we might get a better cooling system in S23 Ultra, and the back looks quite the same, just the camera array will be slightly bigger than last generation. All good things aside, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to be more expensive than S22 Ultra. This year, S22 Ultra was standing at $1,200, but as per recent rumors, we may see a small jump in price, at least $50 on each model of S23 Ultra. So the new prices will be $749 for S23, $999 for S23 Plus, and $1,250 for S23 Ultra. But these prices are for the US markets. And as per inflation, we may see a price jump in European markets, at least €50 on all model of S23 lineup. But the pre-order deals are amazing, where on S23 Ultra you guys can get up to $200 Samsung credit, which is amazing. So you guys should have an eye on the pre-orders of S23 lineup. With that, Samsung is planning to launch S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb. If you want to see the real 200MP shot on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra compared with the Pixel 7 Pro, you guys should check this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.